Hello! I want to share with you an app for your car and a trick to get your car wash for around 10 dirhams or less. So, the app is Sayaraa, which means car in Arabic. Sayaraa is an amazing platform for all your car needs. This is not just a car wash app, but a one stop car solutions app. You might want to download and find out what services they offer. For now, let's get a car wash done. They offer both station and doorstep washes. Since we wanted to try a particular car wash center as they were offering a 50% discount through Sayaraa, I'm going to opt for the station wash. We choose a car and the service. Now you can see that the regular price is 35 dirhams, but through Sayaraa, I'm going to book it for 18 dirhams. Now I did tell you it was going to be around 10 dirhams. Let me show you how. So Sayaraa has given an invite code for every user. Every person you invite, for both parties, the invitee and the guest who is going to download the app is going to get 5 points, which is equivalent to 5 dirhams upon successful registration. And since I had invited many of my friends, I have few points to redeem here. The maximum points you can redeem is 7, which is more than good enough. And now you can see that my car wash is going to cost me only 11 dirhams. So once the payment is done, you get an OTP which has to be shared at the service center. This booking is valid for 30 days from today. And once you reach the service center, just tell them it's a service booked through Sayaraa and share your OTP, which you can find under the notifications or the bell icon, and get your car wash done.